How to change caption language on YouTube app. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I will guide you to change caption language on YouTube app. Without further ado, let's get started. Launch YouTube application on your device and head to the home page of YouTube. Make sure that you have logged into your account. To change caption language, tap on the profile icon at bottom right and hit to the gear icon at top right corner of the screen. Then you will navigate to the setting page. Scroll down and locate video and audio preferences section. Here you need to find out captions option. Select that. Here you need to make sure that you turn on the button for caption preferences. Select language and you can easily choose any language which you preferred or which you find convenient. For me, it's the United States English, so you can easily choose any language, suppose United Kingdom, and the language will be easily changed. You can see the preview at the top. You can even change the text size and the caption style as well. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.